We're here at the boat launch, one of our new favorite spots. Pretty fun, easy to park. Lots of cats in here, lots of other fish. Apparently there's deer legs as well. This one's kind of cool actually. It's still held together by some skin. It's kind of nasty, but anywho, we got Johnny Blaze with us today, Justin, myself, Mark. We're gonna go catch some fish. We're gonna head towards Faust and see what we get.
Let's go, boy. Yeah. Hell yeah. Let's do it. I got you, Andrew. So if you're coming from San Antonio, really, you're gonna have to take a turnaround. But the easiest thing to do is to just go into Google Maps and type in River Ranch RV Resort. You can see River Ranch Resort right there on the right. And you just take that little street down past it, and there's a little public parking spot right there underneath 35. You can actually see where we're standing right there, the boat launch. The water's clear as hell.
It is, eh?
It's crazy. You watched.
I always watch a boy.
All right, let's catch the fish, boys. Dude, I've never caught a warmouth before. Look at that. That's cool. I got a warmouth. Go fish. Oh, sorry, buddy. So I was really stoked I caught a new fish. Unfortunately, we didn't do a lot of fishing after that. My homies Tommy and Jack showed up, and it kind of just ended up being a chill day on the river. Sal and I started climbing up this sketchy log into this old concrete building, and I couldn't stop thinking about what it looked like back in its day, like what equipment did what the workers looked like. And so when I got home, I started doing a little bit of research, and please correct me if I'm wrong, dude, but from what I know, this old pump house and the factory attached to it were built in 1921 by a company called Planters and Merchants Mill, which later on became Mission Valley Mills. They made a lot of different fabrics, but they were mostly known for their cotton and denim products. It was actually the largest employer in Comal County back in its day.
Right? This is crazy. Just like that, buddy.
The pump house we're exploring, it was actually used by a company called Mission Canal. And what they would do is pump water using a steam pressured system like 12 feet up and then divert it to different channels and wherever they needed it, mostly for agricultural purposes, but I'm sure the factory played some, use or benefit from it. I encourage you to take a look around, dude. Pause the video if you need to, because this place won't be here much longer. At least not in this form. In 2017, this property was sold to a land developer, and he plans on demolishing the old factory that's attached to this and turning this pump house into a old school style restaurant, modernizing it, if you will. Kind of like the Pearl, if you're familiar with San Antonio. So I'm not quite sure how long it'll be accessible to the public, but as of July 1st, I have reports that it's still public. You can still go onto the land. I know the branch isn't there. This was the most recent photo I've got. Thanks to Blaze for sending this over. So get out there while you can. It's a beautiful scene. Take the kids. It's a good little spot. Just keep an eye on them. Life jackets, standard procedure. Another fun little fact, The Walking Dead actually had a couple of scenes that were filmed at the old factory behind us. Dude, appreciate you watching, dude. I missed making YouTube videos, and I'm sitting on about 5 or 6 edits, and I'm constantly filming still, so we'll see where it goes. See if we can get this. We're almost at 2,000 subs now, so I can't thank y'all enough, dude. So enjoy the rest of the video. Hey, I'll catch you next time, man.
He jumped in the hole in the wall inside. Did he? Yeah, he just got out of it right now. He's laughing. Oh, he's got the football. Yeah. Good.
When the time got there, just dip in that wood, kind of put it in there.
He was trying to look at Mark here.
Woo! Hell yeah! Hey.